Alexandra, and today we're creating a Valentine's Day look. And it's very super easy and simple. And also, like I always say in my videos, if you don't have the palette, it's okay. Go ahead and just swap up the colors to the color of your choice that you want to create in the look, and that will be your inspired Valentine's Day look. But this is my take for Valentine's Day. I show you how I did the eye look and also how I created the purple heart and the pink heart, and I show you how I did my lip color for this tutorial. Very super easy and simple tutorial. One more thing before we jump into the tutorial, I want to apologize. The lighting is a little wacky because I was charging my phone, because that's where I record my videos, and it was kind of like the camera was low, so the shadows, and I was angled to the right, so the shadows were messing the video up a little bit. So I'm crossing fingers. I didn't really look over it and see how well it came out. I'm crossing fingers that it just have to do a little bit of touching on editing the shadows and not much. So crossing fingers is not a big work when it comes to editing the video. So I wanted to apologize about that. So it was a little thing happening there, but it's okay. The tutorial is right there, super easy to follow for you guys. If you're new to the channel and you're first time watching, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload a new video. And that's it, guys. Let's jump into the tutorial.